Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SUNW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look at the volume down here and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So a very shaky looking chart right now. I mean, I realize I'm saying the obvious, but just to build some quick context here. Started off monster movement to the upside and then quite a bit of a pullback to the downside. I'm not going to say that the chart's destroyed, but I will say that a very, very important level of support, at least in my opinion, going into next week, is down here at this level of 85 cents. Why is 85 so important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation purposes, if the price were to come down to 85 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that big old range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Or I mean, said another way, that would imply that the price made a huge move up, only to then go right back to where it started. Again, not saying that'll occur, but that is why that 85-cent mark, very, very important moving into next week. Now, in the event the price tries to turn itself around and work its way back upwards, initial area of resistance, keep an eye on, going to be right there at the 95-cent mark. And then after 95, the more so, big picture type level is right up there around the $1.10 mark. So, I mean, there's plenty of room for this thing to pick back up energy and head back upwards. But like I said, first off, it's just got to stabilize out, and then it's got to get through that 95-cent mark. And then at that point, yeah, the chart is definitely going to get quite interesting. But we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.